I am excited to introduce a new metaphysical framework by Thomas O. Scarborough, who first presented it at the annual philosophy lecture in Malta in 2025. He distinguishes between finite wholes, which are the defined parts of language and science, and the unnamed whole, which represents the vast reality excluded by our definitions. Scarborough argues that our obsession with mathematical and linguistic precision creates an illusion of control, while actually leaving us vulnerable to unknown consequences. By focusing only on what we can name, we risk hubris and environmental destruction because we ignore the interconnected nature of existence. The lecture explores how this applies to diverse fields, including artificial intelligence, ethics, and education. Ultimately, the author calls for a return to humility, urging us to recognize the limits of our knowledge in the face of the indefinable.